Hello guys, so welcome to tonight's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time you see our program for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, and we'll start with tonight's show. All right, so we don't get updates now on Ricardo Calafiori injury. So the reports were they out there in the media domain, according to Chris Whitley, who's one of the journalists for London World, so and the Asta correspondent in B. So Baba don't talk say Calafiori is going to be out for 2 to 3 weeks, and many other people have mentioned the same timeline. Yet for the media space, that Calafiori is going to be out for this particular period. So it is what it is. We no get into what we'll do. So from the look of things, Ingo miss the match we will play against Real Madrid. Yeah, because 3 weeks add on to today's date. But what's the man now? So Ingo miss that match, which is quite sad. Yes, I don't just know why the guy did unlucky. Look at the way he just stretched that in leg. Yes, and even if he maybe not something very serious, but the timeline would hear say just 2 to 3 weeks and it's going to be okay. Well, all things being equal, we'll just get patience. We'll see how everything will go because even now Arsenal broke the news that Gianluca Damasio also talk about Gianluca Damasio talk about that say Calafiori has suffered grade 1 or grade 2 in damage to in collateral ligaments. I must see grammar. Yes, so now what's the guy first? So the team pay me, and even somebody even enter my game search you see what they happen to this Ricardo Calafiori. Why have you see this guy? Any small thing, the guy will just run, get injury. What's this up? Baba, that's what life be. Life no day fair most times. Get all right. Let's enter another story. So tonight, the match where England will play. You get so we are seeing against Albania. There's a breaking. Lewis-Skelly starts for England against Albania. By the time we are going to watch this video, the match will almost start because I think the match is 20:45 p.m. So well, I'm going to upload the video. Probably you will see the match for that first half. So I did very happy because I already see the lineup with Thomas Tuchel put out very strong lineup. This is not be friendly match, not serious match. You get so Pickford, Walker, Rice, Eric Consa, Phil Foden, Kane, Bellingham, Rashford, Bond, Jones, and Lewis-Skelly. So this is the first 11. I just pray for that. Make you not do any mistake. Make you keep your head down. He gets play very well because this is going to be instrumental to his future. You get when go play for this match now. Coach if still plan for the second match. So I just pray for that. Make everything go well in his favor. Now, away from that, so now Arsenal, but let us know, say Arsenal, they close in on a new long-term contract for Ethan Waneri, who became 18 years old today. Yes, so the deal is proposing a 5-year contract, according to Isaac Khan, who is one of the writers for the Daily Mail. So they say Arsenal are also keen on extending Bukayo Saka's contract before the start of next season, with only 2 years left on his current deal. Saka own, I know say they will run that one, but this is the one they own. I did very happy to say they look how they go to run. In fact, if you look how the Daily Mail actually reported this story by the Isakan, like I told you, they say either one day closing on a new 5-year contract as Gunners look to fend off interest from 2 Premier League rivals and Wonder Kid following breakthrough season. So Manchester City and Chelsea, they don't want side, they scan, they observe. Even though themselves don't try before in the past to sign either one of the boys, said no, it is Arsenal or nothing. Arsenal is in my DNA, so I cannot leave this place. But all eyes are on Arsenal. But they see whether the contract proposal where Arsenal will give the boy, whether the boy go accept them. If you don't accept them, then all these people they'll be like scavengers. They're going to look how they will take advantage of the situation. I did hear say Arsenal offer the guy £60,000 per week. That is what people are his age mates they collect. So now what could be Maino they collect from Manchester United. So more just watch anywhere the thing they go Shola at the year. I will let you know. Away from that, so Lewis-Skelly, what they talk about in Arsenal career because he do a sit down, talk about England, talk about in first call up. Get first of the one I want to talk about first. Like this Arsenal. He said when he 9 years old, say he get the opportunity to play for Chelsea, to play for Arsenal, to play for Tottenham Hotspur because all of them are London. You get. Don't you talk of people on the North London. But London, So I think look at God so kind, he choose Arsenal. He could have easily chosen Chelsea, could have easily chosen Arsenal, could have easily chosen Tottenham Hotspur, even West Ham, other than London. But he entered Arsenal and he made the cut because thousands of people they enter the Arsenal academy, they did drop out. You see all these Lewis-Skelly, they are like the best of the best. Instead of best of the best, they go still select another best of the best. Some will still drop out. You get not be everybody who enter academy at the end of the day, they give contracts, professional contracts. Yeah. So thank God say you work for them. I did enjoy. You get look at Hurricane. Say Hurricane no enter Arsenal academy. Where in today? You know drop out. So that is just the way it is. So for every Lewis-Skelly will succeed, there were thousands of others that did not succeed and they just drop out. They come they cry again. That's why I go hear many people will talk say once upon a time I did for Arsenal, they pursue me again, but it motivated me to become a better player. Now, another thing we're going to talk about this Lewis-Skelly, but how can they talk say when they expect Thomas Tuchel to call him, you get so you get one call, we can come in say maybe na Thomas Tuchel they call him, I see come pick him. You come find out now Uber Eats, the order food for the mama online. When the guy call him, they have to say maybe na Thomas Tuchel, but surprisingly it wasn't Thomas Tuchel. He just told the story. The story was somewhat funny, and we just laugh off the scene. But thank God, he done they enjoy and everything they go well for him. Now, you know, say they already promote Ite from England under 19 to England under 21. So the manager of the England under 21 they call Lucas. So we're going to talk about Ite he say this boy is very talented. He has outstanding balance. He's fast. He's technically very good. In fact, we are lucky to have him because normally this is a boy that plays against Champions League material. They play the best of the best for England. They play Man City. They play Chelsea. Play Man U. All of a sudden, Nako talk say they good enough for the England national team. So may step up to under 21. Then from there, Nako pick and go the national team level. Well, you know, bad. He's still very, very young. There's no need to rush him. He gets so may go down to 21. May just destroy all of them. So more grace to your elbow, young man. We are rooting for you. Now, away from that, so Sky Sports going to give us breaking news on what they happen for the international scene. So they say Alisson Becker don't come out for Brazil squad. He don't return to Liverpool due to injury. And Gabriel Magalhaes also don't return to Arsenal. Make I not lie for you. When I see this report, say Arsenal's Gabriel and Newcastle's Bruno Guimaraes also returned to their clubs after their yellow card against Colombia. Now, when I see that yellow card against Colombia, my mind because when I saw Arsenal's Gabriel Magalhaes, I say, what's happened to Gabriel Magalhaes? I can't see it. So in collect yellow card for the match they play against Colombia. They win the match. But based on that yellow card, he don't accumulate many yellow cards. So he go miss the next match. I didn't say this international break, like just 2 games. So what's not the point of staying back there in Brazil? So that's why the guy said, well, make Akukuma go back to Arsenal, go meet the Saka and what that's what they there. But they do the training, they go. So that's why he don't come back early to Arsenal. So nobody say anything really happened. Now the Daily Mail come to tell us why that Panama star, what a man, go mob Thierry Henry after he scored 91st minute winner against the United States of America, and how Arsenal legend responded with a touching gesture. So now we're going to hear say that guy who scored that goal, say the guy Henry na idol. So when Henry going to talk about what the guy tell him. So CBS Sports have explained that Waterman told Henry that he was his idol growing up. You see this Thierry Henry, so many people don't idolize him. It's like, say he get this massive pull, he get this massive influence on players. The way players love Thierry Henry. I never really hear anybody talk about Cristiano Ronaldo like that, or talk about Messi like that, or talk about maybe Salah like that. Like say, I want to be like this person. I watch him play. I love like Isaac, Henry, Jonathan David. Like they're plenty. Maybe say all of them are Henry. They watch growing up. Now only of recent I say Hojlund like Cristiano Ronaldo, but the list of players say the line up for Henry back say that's that guy's my idol. Henry do things when Henry they play prime Henry. God. Those of us that we don't watch Henry they play I don't know what to miss. So when I just go YouTube, go to find old clips of Arsenal, go to watch highlights or go watch goals of Henry and God for Nigeria. We call like Igwe King. Henry do things so Henry do things. If I didn't know the game like this, Baba, nobody like to watch him now. He gets. but it is what it is. Now, after the match, Henry can invite him for the CBS studio. They call it discuss. Henry can collect the guy jersey. The guy sign him. Henry said, promise him, say, don't worry, I will give you Arsenal signed jersey. They just laugh off everything. At the end of the day, I just very happy for the guy. Say Henry really celebrated. Henry said was in awe, man. The guy was a bit flabbergasted. You don't really know what is going on. So, my dear Arsenal lovers, send you a message from one of our sponsors, Smoky World Associates and Co Limited. They're into construction services, dredging, canalization, real estate, and shore protection works. They're also into mechanical and fabrication services and procurement services nationwide. So if you want to reach out to them, you can call them on +234 806464 2234, and they're located on number 7 the Kennywood Road, Oriazi, opposite St. Stephen's Anglican Church, Port Harcourt. So if you're interested in any of the services, do reach out to them. Also, let's bring you a message from another of our sponsors, Adexwella Aluminium and Glass. They're into aluminium windows and doors, frameless glass, stainless rail, sunbreaker and cladding, aluminium roofing, office partition, cashier cubicles, and many more. So if you want to reach out to them, you can call them on +234 7086 389722, and they're located at number 64 Itiria Road, Kayode Bus Stop, Mushin, Lagos. So if you're interested in any of the services, please do reach out to them. Now, the biggest news of the night is the fact that we don't get clarity from Chris Whitley and Gianluca Di Marzio, plus many other reports, media houses where they out there. Riccardo Calafiori will be out for 2 to 3 weeks from this injury where he don't get. So it's quite sad, but that's just the reality. We are seeing Saka they come back, Calafiori they go out. That has been our mantra this season. One senior man will come back, another one will come out. Short, this is in your zoo parking load, go Jared. So my dear lovers, I think it's a fine place for us to call the show an end. So like come your way tomorrow morning to give you the morning news. So then thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your night. Now good night. I'm gonna get out. All right, guys. Ciao.